Hi, everybody. It's Miss Sherry from the library. Follow me for a story. If you love numbers, raise your hand. And if you love the alphabet, raise your hand. I see lots of hands out there. Well, if you love numbers in the alphabet, you're definitely gonna love this story today. Shout, Shout It Out by Denise Fleming. I'm quiet. I'm a mouse. Everybody loves to shout. So if you know it, shout it out. Ready, set, go! Shout, shout, shout it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shout, shout, shout it out. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. M is for mouse. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Go, U. W, X, Y, and Z. Shout, shout, shout it out. Red, blue, yellow, balloons. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm slipping. Green balloons, orange, purple. Shout, shout, shout it out. Hamster, cat, dog, bird, rabbit, cat, hamster, dog, bird, rabbit. Oh, and over here I see a cow, chicken. goat, horse, bees, sheep. Giddy up. Giddy up. Shout. Shout. Shout it out. Bus. Boat. Car. Bus, boat, car. What's that little mouse doing down there? Wait, wait. Truck, lane, train, truck, lane, train. Mouse, tell us what you know. Ready, set, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red, green, blue, orange, yellow, purple, balloons. Cat, bird, dog, rabbit, hamster, cow, fly, duck, chicken, pig, goat, horse, bees, sheep, car, truck, boat, bus, plane, train. Wow, that mouse knows a lot. Well done. Well done. Thank you. The end. Wasn't that just the best story? We have a very special guest with us today. It's Picasso, also known as Sippy the Dragon. Hello to everybody out there. We have a little song we want to sing with you all today. Here we go. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. That makes a great story for you and me. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. That makes a great story for you and me. Bye-bye. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye.